Hey, what's up, Shane? It's Devin. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things you can do whenever you're ready down the road to redo your website so you can start bringing in customers right away. I'm making this for you because I know you said on the phone that you didn't like the old website, so I'm going to be using just your Facebook page just to use as a comparison. But I make these videos because I found out that there's a lot of HVAC techs out there who just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring in more customers because they're just spending so much time running their business. And so I found that by giving these free attack plans away, there's a lot of people who call me back and just ask me to do this stuff for them. If you want to do this stuff yourself, you can. If you want some help or you just don't have the time to, you can call me back. Whichever way is okay with me. It's just free education. I'm going to talk to you today about content backlinks and citations. And I wanted to say I do like that your Facebook presence that you have already. It looks like you are pretty active. You've got a lot of photos up here. It really shows that you guys are like an active business. You've got not only pictures of the team, but you also got pictures of you guys at work. It's really, really cool stuff you got going on here. Now, when you want to get ranked highly on Google, you need to have a lot of content. So your main competitor in the Houston area is Air Specialist. If you type in like AC Repair Houston, and you can see that these guys, they really don't have all that much content, so it'd be really easy to beat. What you want to have on your page is about 2,000 words of content. These guys probably have about 500, if that. So make sure that when you put your website up, you have about 2,000 words of content, and you also have in keywords such as like AC Repair Houston. If you want to see some like keywords you can also target inside of your content, you want to go for the ones that show buyer intent, which means that they're just like nearby. So like if somebody types this in, air conditioning repair Houston, they obviously want to buy, and 100 people search that a month. Or like AC repair Houston TX, 250 people search that a month. So like this is the kind of stuff you want to have in your content. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. And that's really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see that a bunch of other websites are vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant backlinks, meaning that they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows that you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There are a bunch of free tools out there. I just pay for this because it's really helpful for my industry, but it gives you a lot of really valuable data. It says your first backlink appeared back in August of 2016. You currently have 20 websites linking to you. And that's a really good start. And it's also really easy to be Air Specialist. These guys only have 179 websites linking to them. All you have to do is go get yourself to about 180, 190. Well, that would be matching them, but I would go maybe closer to like 190, 200 to blow them out of the water. And the best way to do that is to copy them. You just go see all these different websites that are linking to them, visit them, either create a profile and put the link in your profile pointing back to your homepage, or just click the contact us button and request that you get a link back to you just like they did. And by following just those 2 tips, the content and with the websites pointing back to you, backlinking to you, that's how you end up taking the number 1 spot in the organic section. You can also pay for ads to be up here. That's the second spot you can be on the homepage, and the third place you can be is right here in the Google My Business section. This is my third tip. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is just anywhere where your exact name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. Just anywhere where you can list your business's information. What I would recommend for you is figuring out what directories AC Repair Houston's listed in. List yourself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I try to keep this short and sweet and just to the point. As a really quick recap, your homepage, you're going to want to have about 2,000 words of content to blow these guys out of the water. You're going to want to have more than 100 and... Oh, I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. You're going to want to have more than 100 or about 200 websites linking to you. And then you're also going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And by following these tips, you can be number 1 across all of Google in 3 different spots. So you're probably asking, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information whenever you're ready down the road, and you can apply it yourself and rank yourself to the top of Google and make yourself a ton of money. And I hope you do that. I really want to see other people thrive from this information, and so I could really use your feedback on if you thought this info was helpful for you. If you don't really want to do this stuff, if you just want to continue running your business and you want somebody else to take care of this for you, you can always give me a call. I'll see if I can help you, and if I can't, I'll just guide you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to hearing back from you. Thanks.